Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the GPUWatch update refresh interval on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on developer options. In here, swipe up to go down and tap on GPUWatch. Next, tap on General Settings. And in here, tap on Update Interval. And by default, it is set to 250 milliseconds. In here, you can choose as soon as possible, 50 milliseconds, all the way up to 5 seconds. So in here, select one of the options. So I'm going to choose 5 seconds and then tap on OK. And then tap on the home button. And you can see the graph will not get updated unless it is at 5-second interval. So we'll get updated once every 5 seconds. And you can see here the first line has drawn after 5 seconds. And that's it. This is how you can change it. And if you want to change it back to the default 250 or a faster refresh, you can choose 50 milliseconds and then tap on OK. And that's it. Now you can see it will refresh a lot faster. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.